What's up, guys? So listen, we need to talk about this. What is air lace and where have I been? Because this is not even a new phenomenon, okay? It's new over here because I've never tried it. But look at this glueless wig. Y'all see that? That means you can xoxoxo in that wig. And these edges look like they belong to me. Yeah, let's talk. First things first, I'm the realest. Psych, I'm just joking. Okay, so this is from CurlsCurls, okay? This is their brown ombre wet look wig. It's a 13x6. I have 14 inches and I have a medium cap. They have small and medium. Their medium goes up to 23 inches, I believe. So take the circumference of your head, get that domology, and determine if this is the right wig for you. As far as that hairline, as you can see, it is beautifully pre-plucked, okay? They played no games with that. That's lovely. All right, here's what the inside construction looks like. You have 2 combs off to the side with pride, 1 in the back. You have your adjustable elastic, okay? Yeah. Now here's the thing. The curls, this is a Burmese curly wig. And it's just a very loose, like wet look sort of curl. So if you're going for the wet look, it's perfect for you. Okay, if you're trying to come up out the water, it is perfect for you. If you're trying to get your Baywatch on, it is perfect for you. Okay, now, yeah, I was feeling it. Okay, let's move on. Now, here's the thing. That hairline is plucked, lovely. But I want to disrupt that front line, just the front part, you guys, because it's a little too solid for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of gaffage, if that makes sense, right there, just in the front line. Okay, so I'm not staying in one spot. Don't stay in one spot, y'all. Okay, it might have looked like I was in one spot, but I wasn't. All right, that's just to, you know, space out that front line so much so it's not so liney. You know what I mean? I want it to be a little bit more gappy, but not gappy like gap. Gappy just like gap, but not gap. Okay, y'all know what I'm talking about. Now we just gonna cut the lace, and I'm about to show you something about this air lace, y'all. The air lace is very thin HD lace, very thin. And why this is new to me, I don't know. I'm gonna have an attitude about it in a minute when I start to think about it. When I look back over my life and think things over, y'all should have been pulled my coattail. Look at that. Look at that right there. Y'all not out here pulling coattails like you're supposed to have. Because see, this is beautiful. This lace is real spectacular and soft and beautiful. It really is. You know how sometimes vendors can say that and then it does not do how it's supposed to have. You know what I'm saying? It does. You think it do, it don't. And this is not the case. Look at that hairline, guys. Now, again, y'all know I learned this from my girl Gladys. She put me on this. This is just to, you know, blend that thing a little bit more to get it to match my coffee au lait. You feel me? Because it's not a lace in this world that can do that. All right? We're going to have to help it out a little bit. Now, snatch that lace off in the bite. You can do a low ponytail with this if you want to. Now I'm gonna show you 2 different looks, okay? This is glueless. I got this from my girl Kai, because Kai's glueless wigs, honey, when she puts that mousse to the front of it and then ties it, press it down and run it through, you would think that that is all coming from the depth of her scalp. And I wanted mine to look like that but still be glueless, so I said, let me just channel my inner Kai for this. Bam, it's nothing. Did that. Now, this is a 13x6, so you have 6 inches of parting space going back for a good ignorant Moses part. Okay? The type of part that Brother Moses would be proud of. Now, this first look I'm going for, I'm just going to apply a little bit of mousse with no water, okay? I'm not using water because I still kind of want it to be big and poofy a little bit before we go into the depths of the wet look, okay? We're going to do the semi-wet look first, and then, y'all look at that. Girl, it makes very little sense that I am just now on this. Now, y'all know wigs are relatively new in comparison to crochet braids to me, but dang, I thought I was a little bit deeper in the game. I was supposed to know about this, honey. That's when you think you got juice and you realize it's water in the mud. But I'm gonna tell you something, water is the liquid of life, so don't sleep on it. Now, you don't have to do this part because I'm going for kind of like a no part look, but you can still define your no part. Okay, it's a no part, but it's a part. Now right here, if you know, you know, period. I don't need to explain. Okay, we're gonna put a little oil sheen because I want that top shining and glistening like it just got baptized. I keep doing that because I'm so shocked. Y'all, I love it. That looks so pretty. That's giving the dry version of wet wavy coming out the water vibes. Y'all look. I gotta step in like that. That is Glueless. Now y'all know how I feel about shape. I had to get that shape together. You don't have to do that. I'm just ignorant on top of ignorant when it comes to this hair thing, okay? I went to hair school. Look at that. Again, I told you can xoxoxo. So you know if you can xoxoxo, you solid at an AM design service, okay? That wig ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna just do a little pin so y'all can just see the naturalness of it. Come on, CurlsCurls, you ain't had to come so hard. You ain't had to. You could have been told me that you had this hair lace too, but we'll talk about it. But y'all, look at that. Look at that. It looks so natural. That's what I love about it. Now we're gonna do ignorant wet. We're gonna do the super duper wet look, okay? And then brush it out. Show you what it's looking like. Look. Come on. I told you, Moses would be frizzled. This is what it's looking like when it's wet. Okay, now it's gonna air dry and I'm gonna show y'all. Bam, there we are with the air dry. That's after it's been brushed out, all of that stuff. It looks so, I love how effortlessly curly, like beach curly, cute ombre. That chocolate brown is gorgeous. Y'all, these are some of the cheapest wigs on CurlsCurls website, so check it out. Make sure you look at the information in the description box, y'all. You already know how I get down, okay? Peace, love, light, y'all.